This is the full circuit walkthrough for ME-3902. This is the final project. So to start with, the first part of the circuit is this string of 6 LEDs. They're connected to the PWM slots on the Arduino board via the orange wires. They are linked up with 1 kilo ohm resistors to the ground to make sure that too much current doesn't flow through them and make them blow. And they are wired up to this potentiometer here. The red wire goes to the voltage source, the yellow wire goes to the negative terminal, and then the green wire goes all the way over to the analog 0 pin slot, and that serves to control the dimness of the LEDs. When it is at full rotation, the LEDs will light up completely, which will be demonstrated once I begin the actual circuit walkthrough. Then the next part of the circuit is the thermistor portion. So over here is an ADC component by Adafruit. It is wired up with the red wire connecting to the positive terminal, the blue connecting to the ground. Then the yellow pins wires are connected to the SDA and SCL pins on the ADC. And then over here is the analog 0 pin, which runs over to the 4.8 kilo ohm resistor, which is also with a 5 kilo ohm thermistor. The blue wire grounds both of them. The red wire flows current through and then back into the A0 pin of the ADC, and it's wired up to the correct portions on the Arduino board. So that's the next part of the sensor, and then the final portion is the DC motor, which runs once a certain temperature is reached to simulate a fan cooling it down, which will be explained in the code. So to run the entire program and just demonstrate that it works, as you can see, it's not at full brightness yet, but the LEDs light up and the motor does not run, which is the intended purpose of it. And then when we bring it to full brightness, the thermistor is picking this up based on the code as that it's at excess temperature, even though that's not achieved due to there not actually being a thermometer, since it's measuring the resistance base temperature. But to simulate it, if it's at full temperature, the motor runs simulating a fan cooling it down. Thank you for watching.